Hi, my name is Samuel, and I enjoy bird watching. Do you like bird watching too? In fact, I've grown up to enjoy photographing and recording their activities in video, and I will show you some of the videos in my story today. In Nebraska, there are several birds we can watch, depending the season. This winter, for example, I've been able to spot cardinals, juncos, chickadees, and other backyard birds. As the birds are hungry, they look for a bird feeder to eat food and get energy to fly. They like to stop to dine and enjoy themselves when they find a bird feeder. They like to go there daily. Sometimes squirrels can interrupt the birds dining as they chase them away and knock the feeder down. However, some birds are brave enough to work together and chase the squirrels away or feed on the same tree. How can we apply this to our spiritual life? We are like the birds. We need to go to the bird feeder every day to eat from God's Word, the Bible, and spend time praying. Sometimes Satan, like the squirrels, tries to chase us away from God's Word, but we can overcome Satan by working together and using God's Word. Like Matthew 10:16 says, "Behold, I am sending you out as sheep in the midst of wolves. So be wise as serpents and innocent as doves." Have a happy Sabbath. Bye.